Are you struggling to manage recruitment agencies on Top Echelon? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to streamline and maximize your recruitment efforts using Top Echelon, and you'll get all the tips you need to hit the ground running with the software. Stick with me until the end for an exclusive bonus that will help you take your recruitment agency management to the next level. Top Echelon is a powerful recruitment software that's designed to simplify the way you manage your recruitment agency's processes. Whether you're a solo recruiter or managing multiple agencies, this platform has a lot to offer. You can use it to track candidate information, manage job orders, and most importantly, collaborate with other agencies to fill positions faster. Let's dive into the key features. First, when managing your recruitment agencies, the most important part is staying organized. Top Echelon offers a CRM that makes it easy to manage contacts and candidates. You can track candidates throughout the recruitment process, from sourcing to placement, ensuring you never lose sight of top talent. You can also integrate job orders into this system, which helps you organize jobs you're actively working on and match them with the right candidates. The next big feature is the ability to collaborate with other recruiters in the network. Top Echelon makes this seamless with its shared database. Whether you're working with other agencies or recruiting on your own, Top Echelon's tools help you stay connected and allow your team to share insights and candidate details in real time. Collaboration is key to placing candidates faster, and this software makes it easy. Now, let's talk about reports. You can track your agency's performance in real time with customizable reports, whether you're tracking placements, job orders, or pipeline stages. Top Echelon provides you with detailed reports that allow you to make data-driven decisions. These insights can help you identify bottlenecks in your process and improve your overall efficiency. Another game changer is the automated workflow feature. With this, you can automate tasks that would otherwise take up valuable time. For example, automatically send emails to candidates or clients based on certain triggers. This feature ensures you're not spending time on repetitive tasks and allows you to focus on what matters most, placing candidates. The best part? You can get started with Top Echelon completely free. Use the first link in the description below to access an exclusive extended free trial. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. To wrap up, Top Echelon is more than just a tool for managing recruitment agencies. It's a complete solution that helps you collaborate, stay organized, and improve efficiency. From the CRM to reporting tools and automated workflows, it's all designed to streamline the recruitment process and help you fill positions faster. And remember, if you're looking for an easy way to get started, take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial by clicking the link below. Don't forget, this offer is only available for a limited time, so take action now. That's it for today's guide on how to manage recruitment agencies on Top Echelon. Make sure to check out the link below for your free trial and start optimizing your recruitment process today.